What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins and I am back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Please, man, go hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to stay tapped in with the channel, hit that notification bell. I think it's right here. Hit that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. Yes, sir, man. We got another unboxing. It's gonna be quick, you guys. It's gonna be quick. I just dropped another video. Supreme Pickups, Street Market Supply. Shout out Street Market Supply. And another pair of Jordan 1. So go check out my other video if you haven't seen it yet. But let's get into this. Let's get into this video. Let's get into this shoe. Just came in, literally just came in today. Nike been having hella delayed shipping, so all my shoes been coming like 2-3 days later than they say they're supposed to come. It's all good, man. As long as the shoe actually gets here, I can't complain. You know what I mean? I cannot complain. I hope everybody's having a good day. Hope you guys are ready for Imam Year. I think Imam Year is tomorrow. Or it's in a couple days. It's coming up soon. So if this video drops before the Imam Year 2 drops, y'all get ready, man. Y'all get ready because I think that shoe's gonna be kind of lit. You know what I mean? I think a lot of people are gonna go for it. I hope a lot of people don't, because I'm gonna go for it. So anyways, with that being said, we got a box. We got a box. Man, I like this box, man. You guys should know what it is by the box, man. Everybody's already unboxed theirs. This is my turn. This is my turn. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. White. University. Red. Black. Bio. Heritage ones, man. Okay, this shoe does not come individually wrapped like the other one did. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all are tripping. People that did not go after this shoe are tripping, bro. This is fire. I might double up, bro. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you guys. I might double up. Bow. That Jordan Heritage 1, man. Finally got it. Finally got it. Inside of the shoe, white insole, Nike written in red going around the shoe. This shoe is pretty much the opposite of a bread, where everything would be black, it's white. Clean shoe, size 10, my size. Not tumbled going around the sides, not tumbled on this panel right here, but it is tumbled, slight tumble on the red leather around the ankle, the collar, super duper soft. But yeah, the Nike sign has a nice little tumble to it. The panel behind it is very smooth, almost as smooth as when you would get like a Chicago one. Those shoes had little to no tumble, but on the toe box, you're definitely getting a little bit of tumble right here. Heel, ankle. Great shoe, man. I don't know why you guys are sleeping on this shoe. If the Nike check was backwards, you guys would be all over this. Very, 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 very clean shoe. I don't see any no glue stains. Quality control was on point. Let me grab the other shoe. Oh, hold on. Multiple laces. I don't understand why they don't just give us multiple laces with every single shoe. Like, you want to... Never mind. That's a whole nother video. But, extra laces. So far from what I've seen, the black laces look the best in it. Laced up. But, I'm going to have to do another video because I'm definitely keeping this shoe. So I'm gonna have to do another video with an on foot and a lace swap, so we can get an idea of what lace we really like the best. I mean, I could say I like the black, but until I get it on foot and try it on with a couple different jeans, then I'm not gonna really know. But smell good. Smell really good. Great shoe, you guys. Great shoe. Get in the comments, you guys. Let me know. Did you get your hands on this Air Jordan 1 OG Heritage? If you didn't, you're tripping, bro. You might have to go to GOAT and get you a pair, or wait for a restock. If I catch any restocks, I will be doubling up and possibly tripling up. Only reason I would triple up, and let me make this very clear, is because I would want to do a custom and turn this into a bread. That would be the only reason I tripled up. But definitely gonna look for the double up. You guys get in the comments, man. Let me know what you think, man. It's your boy Bert Collins, man. Two videos coming, man. The videos are coming. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. It's your boy Bert Collins, man. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.